guys, welcome back to Imperial. It's a beautiful Friday morning, isn't it, Tim?
The sun is out. It's nice.
It's awesome. And today we're featuring our truck of the week. This is a Ford 650 on a 1,000-gallon flat back unit. And this is a truck that can do it all, Tim. This is the king of all trucks if you're in the portable industry. And this truck talks capabilities, right? Both
Yes.
on the truck and on the flat back.
Yep.
Can you explain that to us, Tim?
Yeah, let's start with the truck first of all. This is a 2019 Ford F650. It's a V10 gas, 320 horsepower with a 6-speed automatic transmission. A couple advantages I like to point out with it being gas. Number one, you're saving about, on a truck like this, $8,000 to $10,000 versus a diesel. So right off the bat, you're getting a big savings with going with the gas engine. And number two, a lot of guys are tired of dealing with the emissions and the DEF and stuff that you have on the diesel engine. So there's just a couple things that this truck doesn't, that you don't have to worry about.
So time is money, so this is a great
Yep,
option for you guys.
Exactly. It's on a low profile chassis, 19.5 tires, kind of keeps everything a little bit lower. And that's kind of it. It's got the nice big West Coast mirrors, they call them, so you got good visibility all around the truck.
We got the lights flashing here, Tim. We got a light package on this thing?
Yep, we got a strobe package. We've got work lights, and we'll show you in a minute here, but basically what this truck will do is it's kind of an all-around truck. You can dual side service basically, and I'll show you how the swivel works. Instead of having two hoses and working from both sides of the truck, this one you can keep the truck in one spot and do services on both sides of the street.
So let's walk around here, Tim,
Sure.
a little bit and take a look. Looks like we have a Massport HXL4 on here.
HXL4, right? There's a lot, looks like a lot going on right here. We've got our control switches, and what this will do is run your PTO, pump,
Okay.
work lights, strobe lights, and our water pump on here.
Okay, and it looks like we have some sight glasses here, Tim. Does this tell me maybe some water in
Yep,
this tank?
this is going to be for your water capacity. That's a 1,000-gallon stainless steel vac tank.
Okay.
So you've got water capacity, 300 gallons. That's all on the inner part of the tank.
Okay.
And then the external part of the tank is going to be your waste, 700-gallon capacity, and
So
that's
then
your
there's
sight glasses for waste. yeah.
Okay. And stainless steel, guys, this is going to
Stainless steel.
outlast anything. This is going to last
Right.
forever. Okay.
And you can carry 6 toilets on the back of this one.
Okay.
It's got a 1,600-pound lift gate on the back, so you can obviously lift your toilets up and down, load and unload.
Awesome. So time is money again, guys, right? So you can carry your toilets and you have your water and your
Right.
waste
Yep.
underneath
Everything's
here.
kind of a one-stop shop.
Perfect.
It comes in as a P&D unit / service structure, just because of the capabilities it has and the size of the tank it has, and
Okay.
a lot of neat stuff.
And I'm noticing also bucket fill here.
Yep. Bucket fill, and again, dual-sided service, so we'll have one on both sides. We have toolboxes on both sides. We have our hose reels on both sides. One is up here on this side just because of room.
Okay.
And the other one is down below the deck.
Okay, just 50 feet here?
Correct.
Okay.
50-foot pressure hose. Yep.
Okay, and a 30-foot intake.
Intake hose, right.
Okay. And Tim, before we keep going here, is this truck still for sale?
It is for sale, yes.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
And guys, like I just mentioned before, this is the king of all trucks if you're in the portable service industry, and Tim is your guy. You know, if you have any questions as we walk around here, we'll put his information below.
Yeah, call me.
Yes,
It's for sale. We got other trucks for sale too.
Yes, we do. And we can give you a little highlight of those as we go around. You'll see them in the background here. Tim, it looks like we also have a waste basket.
Yep, we do. We have garbage cans, again, dual-sided, so they're going to be on both sides. They're spring-loaded, so you can get all your trash into one area.
Awesome, awesome. All right, let's walk around the back here.
Okay.
We got a lift gate, guys. Have a little fun on the lift gate here, Tim.
1,600 pounds, yep.
Let's
It's got
show-
the safety pins, so let's pull
yeah.
the safety pins out.
Show me how this baby works.
This runs on electric over hydraulics, so you just want to clear that area.
Okay,
And then it's pretty lightweight, so you can just kind of let it go and the springs take over.
okay,
And this one's gravity down, power up.
okay.
Full hitch package and wiring, so you're all set up if you do need to pull a
Okay.
trailer with more toilets to go to the events.
Okay, and how many toilets did you say can fit
We
on
can
here?
get 6 up on the bed,
Okay.
on the bed itself.
Okay, wonderful.
We got all the E-track and stake sides, so you can tie your toilets down.
So safety when you're going down the road, guys, here.
And you can see how easy that goes up.
Oh yeah, if I can do this, guys, this is perfect. All right, and then this just latches.
Yeah, watch your fingers. We're going to bring that down a little bit.
Okay.
We want to clear that bracket.
To the right, there we go, I see it.
And then it just kind of locks itself back in. Drop that down. We'll throw our pins in again.
Look at that, guys.
Now you can get your safety pins in. Drop that other latch.
Oh,
And I'll put your
oh yeah. Good safety feature, guys. Alrighty.
Yeah, and over here again, garbage can, spring loaded. So we got now we're on the passenger side of the truck. here's that
Hose
hose reel we
reel.
talked about.
Awesome, I like that. It's like the dual-sided both sides, guys. So when you're servicing those toilets, that's a good feature.
And if you're wondering, I'm going to give a little shout out to Pump Tech. We have the Pump Tech X5 on here.
Okay.
And it's kind of, we got this one stored inside again just because of lack of room, but it does keep it out of the elements.
Yes.
And what is kind of unique with the water pump that they supply is it kind of works two ways. It'll actually work as a pressure washer to hose down the toilets when they're dirty, so that's why we have the high pressure nozzle on here.
Okay.
Now if you want to fill your toilet or your sinks, you have a quick
release that.
disconnect, and now
Okay.
you just turn the water supply on, and now you've got about a 5 to 6 gallon a minute water flow. So it
Another
kind of
great
does two things at once.
Another great feature. Great, let's go through here. And Tim, let's see here. We
Here's your
another
other
bucket
bucket
fill.
fill,
Okay,
yep.
all right. Let's walk around the front here, get another view of this truck that is still for sale.
Would you like to work that intake hose just to show the feature real
Yes.
quickly on how that works?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's, Tim, show us how this all works here, guys. He's gonna get in the truck, he's gonna unlatch that boom
We just
there.
have it locked in, so if you're traveling, obviously.
For
Now,
safety reasons, he's gonna take that out there and take off the hose. And we said this is a 30-foot hose, guys. Look how easy that is.
we got a nice little tray system there to store your hose in. Basically, you can work from one side of the truck, do your work,
Okay,
and then when you're ready to go to the other side, you don't have to move the vehicle at all. We got it on a swivel, you come around to the other side,
Hey, it looks like he's made for this, right, guys? He could be a pumper.
and now you can work from the entire side of the other side of the truck.
Good job, Tim. Perfect, and then swing it back over.
Yep, and when you're done on this side, you just come back around again. It's fairly lightweight.
You should be able to service quite a few toilets
Yeah.
and at an event here. Wonderful. And Tim's gonna just put
Yep,
this
we'll
back
throw
on
it back
here.
in the track again. And just like that, you're ready to go to the next job.
Perfect. Awesome. Well, Tim, this is a great truck, and like we said, this is still for sale. And Morgan, let's just do a little sneak peek of the cab. Tim, you want to jump in and
Sure.
maybe just show them a couple features? So I know we know everyone just likes to see the bells and whistles, maybe here and there on this truck, because this is an important part of. Obviously, this is where you're going to be driving to your events. Anything unique or anything on
Not
here?
really, it's
Okay.
just a good old work truck. We do the vinyl seats in 4, so it's easy to clean up.
Sure.
We do have hands-free phone,
Okay, so safety
real
feature.
basic. Yep,
Yeah.
exactly.
Awesome.
Pretty
And
pretty
I love
straightforward.
these seats. They almost do look like leather, but they are for
Right, heavy-duty work
heavy
vinyl.
duty. Okay, so you're gonna stay clean, guys.
A lot of comfort in the truck.
Yeah, it's really comfortable.
Under CDL is another thing we like to
Oh.
point out, so it is an under CDL truck.
Good, perfect points. And Tim, if somebody's looking at this truck and they're like, you know what, I love this truck. I want to just maybe add something little, which I don't know what you'd want to add yet, because this thing is the perfect king of all trucks. Is that still possible?
For the tank package, absolutely.
Okay.
This truck can be out of here today.
Oh.
If you want to buy it today, if you need to add
Wow.
something to it, probably be a week or so,
Okay, which isn't bad, guys.
depending on which options you want to add to it.
And
But
with end of year coming, I know a lot of you guys might be looking for purchases. So Tim is your guy.
we just discounted this truck too for
Oh.
the going into the fall season. So give me a call if you're interested, and be glad to work out some details and specs and pricing for you all.
A blowout special, guys.
Yeah.
Well, have a great weekend, guys. We love you, and we'll see you next time.